are in 5 quarts. 5 quarts equals blank pints. So to solve, look at the reference material. How many pints are in 1 quart? So what does it say?
2.
2. So what are you going to do
Multiply.
to find? You're going to multiply it by what?
2.
2. So 5 times 2 is
10.
10 for that one. That's how we're going to do it. All right. So then 5 quarts equals question mark quarts. 1 quart equals
2 quarts.
1 quart equals 2 pints. What is the relationship between quarts and pints? What is the relationship? When we talked about
Each time they go by 2.
each time it goes by 2. Okay. So let's look. If we have quarts, we have 1 quart, we have 2 pints. We have 2 quarts, we have 4 pints. What are we seeing that relationship is?
Every time you go up, you're multiplying by 2.
Multiplying by 2, or our number of quarts is half the amount of pints, or our amount of pints is double the amount of quarts. All right, so to change larger units to smaller units, we multiply. So that's why we multiplied there.
1 liter.
If you need the picture bigger, just know that you can click on it.
I don't want to get it wrong.
It literally says it up there.
I know. I want to double check. Okay.
It's asking how 1 liter equals how many milliliters.
So what does that chart say? That chart's going to give you that exact answer, right?
Yes.
Look at the chart. One liter equals blank milliliters. Look at the chart. If you need to, 1 liter equals blank milliliters. What number is that? Type that number in. All right, so for this one, what was our answer?
1,000.
1,000, and this one was given to us. So this one we didn't even need to do any math. All we had to do was look at the chart. So now 2 liters equals how many milliliters? If 1 liter equals 1,000, how many is 2 going to equal?
2 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0.
Not that many zeros.
0.
Imagine you knew the answer, but you accidentally added another 0.
All right, so then for this one, it's 2,000. Nine liters equals how many milliliters?
Imagine you put 9.
All right, so for this one, what was it?
9,000.
9,000.
I was really wishing you got it wrong.
All right, so to convert the measurement, 9 yards equals how many feet? Based on
21.
or 7 yards. Based on the reference chart, 1 yard equals how many feet?
3.
So 1 yard equals 3 feet. So what would we do to find 7 yards?
Seven times 3.
We would multiply 7 times 3. So what is the relationship between yards and feet? 1 yard equals 3 feet. 2 yards equals 6 feet. 3 yards equals 9 feet. So the relationship is
It's 1/3 of it.
1/3 of it or 3 times it. To change larger units to smaller units, we again multiply. 7
How do you
yards
already answer?
equals,
You didn't do it because it was the same question from before.
but we didn't answer it.
Oh,
Well,
I was looking at foot. Cause I thought it said inches over here.
all right, so 7 yards equals 21.
Wait, what? You said it wouldn't matter if you answered it. What? And yet she still got in front of me.
I don't know.
How the game works.
If you got it right, you get the same thing.
8 feet equals blank inches. How many inches are in a foot? 12. So you need to do what? 12 times 8.
If they were like that, we were doing like math cards and this like this. I knew 8 times 6 or an 8 times 12.
It made no sense, but
Oh, I almost clicked the wrong answer. Exactly.
I got 106. Cause 8 times 2 is 16.
I don't even have the answer. You got
There's no way. Cause 8 times 2 is 16.
There is a I got it right. It's 96.
Okay, so 12 times 8. 2 times 8 is what? Deshauna, what's 2 times 8?
Huh?
What's 2 times 8?
2 times 8 is 16.
Okay. 1 times 8 is what, Joe?
8,
8 plus 1 is what?
9.
9.
I was adding, okay? I was adding.
You can't. Okay, you can't.
So our answer
up.
is 96.
Do 8 times 6 and then.
When we convert large to small, we multiply. But what happens when we convert a smaller unit to a larger unit?
Divide.
We need to divide.
Me either.
64 ounces equals how many pounds? To solve, look at the reference material. Blank pound equals blank ounces. What does it say on our reference sheet?
1 pound equals 16 ounces.
1 pound equals 16 ounces. So what are we going to do to find this answer?
16 divided by 1?
No.
1 divided by 16.
Or 64 divided by 6.
Yeah, that's what I said.
64 divided by 16.
I definitely didn't say 16 divided by 1. Yeah, that's totally.
Sure, you did it.
To change smaller units into larger units, we divide. So 64 ounces equals how many pounds? So 64 divided by 16 equals 4 pounds. Or think 4 times blank equals 64. And 4 times 16 equals 64.
Huh? What's T?
That's pound.
What's T?
So
Oh, tons.
6, yes, T is tons.
So wouldn't it just be...
So 6,000 pounds equals how many tons?
No! I could...
1 ton equals how many pounds?
It's the
2,000.
2,000. So what should our equation be?
2,000 divided by...
No.
Multiplied by...
I'm guessing.
What?
It would be 6,000 divided by
6,000 divided
Oh.
by 2,000.
Oh, yeah. I accidentally clicked 3,000.
Well, that's not correct.
I know, it's 3.
I got it correct.
All right, so then 6,000 divided by 2,000 equals
3.
3.
But it says I'm in
I
fourth.
hope you get the next question wrong. No.
60 inches.
60 inches equals how many feet?
How do you answer already?
Because I know my multiplication and division, and I kind of know my measurement. So. It's
How many feet or how many inches are in a foot?
12.
Be salty all
12. So what are we doing to solve this equation?
Well, 60 divided by 12.
60 divided by 12 is your problem.
To let you know, Joseph, you can be salty all you want.
Oh, please.
That's funny.
I don't know. Why such intense music now?
My stomach hurt.
It's scared. I didn't even die. Explain intense music.
They know 167s. Yeah, just
I told you.
Okay, so 12. Can 12 go into 6?
No.
No, so 12 goes into 60 how many times?
5.
5.
I did the wrong way.
5 times 12 is 60. We subtract, we get 0, so our answer is 5.
I got that definitely.
I got that correct. Most definitely.
Okay.
I definitely did not put a million sevens. Huh?
84 inches equals how many feet? So,
So it'll be 84.
84 divided by what?
12.
I got it right. I know it. I heard it.
12 times 5 times.
Ah, dang! Wait, I got it wrong. I went over like one number, and I did that number and the correct number, and then I'm like, I almost got it wrong, but I got it right. I know it.
72.
I know the answer though.
7 times 14. 84.
And I know for a fact because my quiz went down. That was the first quiz.
I put a 0 in front of the 7. I don't know why, but
It's gone.
Wait, how did I go to 5th if I got the answer right?
Because you answered in the order. Yeah, it was 7. Yes.
Okay, so 12 cannot go into 8. 12 goes into 84. How many times? 7. 7 times 12 is what? 84.
I technically got it right. I put the 0 in front of the 7.
Well, I guess that must suck.
And I'm still, if I get one.
Go ahead, hit me. After you try.
12 quarts equals how many gallons? How many quarts are in a gallon in that chart?
4.
4. So what are we doing to solve this problem?
12 divided by 4?
Yep.
Okay, I finally got something right at least. I mean, all you have to do is, yeah.
12 divided by 4.
All you have to do is know your multiplication facts.
Yeah, and that's how I got it. Right. I was hesitant. So my
Mew, 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 mew,
divided by 4 is
Say.
3.
I
Alright, so that's it of that one. We're going to do another one on the same topic because it's one that we need.
I got 100.